1x1 rib knit, usually used for bottoms, cuffs, and neckbands. Again, this is built upon the basics we just learned. 1 knit, 1 purl, and repeat. Let's do this. Since we already know how to do the knit and the purl, this 1x1 rib stitch is very easy to understand now. So what you do is you knit 1 and you purl 1, and then repeat knit 1 and purl 1, and just keep going till you worked 1 row. Now you've finished 1 row, and you turn to the other side and start knitting again. And this time you're gonna follow the pattern. So if it's a knit stitch, you knit. It's a purl stitch, you purl. It's easy to tell between knit and a purl because the purl stitch has a bump on it, and the knit stitch is flat with a V shape. Continue knit, 1 purl. After you worked several rows, you can see the 1x1 rib pattern clearly. Repeat the process until you get your desired height of your rib.